Good evening. We start here tonight. The Department of Trade and Industry, in partnership with the National Treasury, are hosting a two-day Industrial Parkst summit in Pretoria to discuss ideas on reviving industrial parks across the country to grow the country's economy and create job opportunities. Our business reporter Ntokozo Khumalo filed this report.
In its heyday, the Babelege Industrial Park in Hammanskraal played a vital role in supporting localization, hosting international companies such as Nestle, as well as local manufacturers, and employing over 100,000 people from local communities such as Themba Township. According to the DTIC, the number of people employed at Babelege has now dropped by more than half. The National Treasury and DTIC has for the last 3 years partnered to pilot new and collaborative approaches.
So we must be bold and selfless and decisive about what it will take to sweat every industrial space in the country to yield its full job and productivity potential.
Deputy Minister at the DTIC, Nomalungelo Gina, says townships and rural communities remain an important part in reimagining the future makeup of industrial park and economic growth.
Townships and rural economy will be best catalyzed by the proliferation of industrial parks. At least each district that we have in our country must have such a park where we are saying at least we are assured that there is an economic activity that is happening per each district.
She highlighted the importance of the private sector to work with governments in revitalizing industry parks to benefit all stakeholders. However, Faith Lawrence, country director at the German Agency for International Cooperation, GIZ, says there are other considerations to be made when reviving industrial parks.
The energy crisis is becoming the tipping point for the whole of industry and society, and not be far behind. We have water security challenges, water quality challenges, and key environmental challenges that is emerging.
She concludes that above all else, stakeholders must work together to safeguard the integrity and reputational currency when reviving industrial parks and investing in new ones. The summit will zone in on ways to revive industrial parks across the country, such as the one behind me, in order to position them for growth and industrialization. Delegates will also explore ways to attract investment as well as improve socio-economic activity in surrounding communities. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Ntokozo Khumalo in Hammanskraal, Pretoria.